Here is how to set a song as your ringtone on Android. So first of all, you need to go ahead and open the phone settings, tap on the search icon and then search for ringtone. Tap on ringtone, which is under sounds and vibration. Here you need to tap on the ringtone option. And there you'll see the option of plus icon in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap on that. And this will show you the list of these sounds or the songs that you've downloaded and you want to set it as a ringtone. So go ahead and tap on any sound that you want to set as a ringtone and then tap on done in the top right corner of your screen and you'll be done. Likewise, if you have two SIM cards on your phone, you can follow the SIM steps in another SIM card as well. Switch to the SIM tool and then tap on the plus icon in the top right and select any music or song that you want to use as a ringtone and then tap on done in the top right corner and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.